How to upload HD story on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that the story that you are trying to upload is already in HD or high quality. Once you do that, keep in mind that when using Wi-Fi to upload stories to Facebook, Facebook will automatically use the highest quality possible. However, if you are using mobile data, then there is some option that you need to turn off in order to allow Facebook to use the maximum data possible to upload the story in the highest quality possible. So go ahead and open up your settings and search for data saver. Then navigate there. And what you need to do is you need to turn off this data saver, at least when you are trying to upload the story to Facebook. What will this do? It will, as I said, allow Facebook to use the maximum quality possible, which will upload the story in the highest quality possible or in HD. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload Facebook stories using the highest quality possible or in HD. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.